Hello, Kurumjiri, and welcome to SKTV News. You are watching Afternoon English News with me, Jasithia. Now, as usual, giving you the headlines first. CBI court frames charges against 6 men in connection with naked parading case of 3 women in May 2023. And Carquinos Hospital organizes cervical cancer awareness walkathon 2026, highlights the importance of early detection and treatment of cervical cancer. Now the news in detail. A special CBI court in Guwahati has framed charges against 6 Meitei men in connection with the May 4, 2023 incident of naked parading of 3 Kuki women during early phase of ethnic violence in Manipur. The court took cognizance of CBI charge sheet, which states that 2 of the victims were subjected to sexual assault and 2 relatives of 1 victim were killed during the incident. The 6 accused are Huirem Hirodash Meitei, Ningombam Tomba Singh alias Tomthin, Yumlembam Jiban Singh alias Naucha alias Sana, Pukrihongbam Suranjoy Meitei, Arun Kundongbam alias Nanao, and Namirakpam Kiran Meitei. They face 15 charges including gang rape, murder and rioting. According to case records, the victims fled into forests to escape violence but were intercepted by a mob, leading to allegedly killing the father of 1 victim and forcing the women to strip. 2 women were assaulted and a brother of 1 victim was killed while trying to protect her. CBI prosecutor Swayamjit Sharma remarked that investigation has established strong prima facie evidence. The court ordered 4 accused to be shifted to Guwahati jail and directed all 6 to appear on January 16. The case drew nationwide outrage after a video surfaced online. CBI is proving multiple cases linked to Manipur's unrest, including 19 involving crimes against women. Carnicos Northeast Private Limited Medical Superintendent Dr. Y. Indibor emphasized the importance of creating mass awareness to eradicate cancer. He was speaking on the sidelines of the flagging off ceremony of the Cervical Cancer Awareness Walkathon 2026 on the theme Early Detection Saves Lives from Kangla Western Gate. The walkathon, participated by doctors, nurses and students, culminated at Carnicos Hospital, Porampat, Imphal. Speaking further, Dr. Indibor stressed the significance of early screening and consultation, urging people not to live in fear of cancer but instead seek medical attention if they suspect any symptoms. He highlighted that early detection and treatment can prevent deterioration and even cure cancer. The medical superintendent also noted that cervical cancer, which is quite common among women, can be prevented through vaccination. He also expressed concern over the growing incidence of breast cancer in the state.
Prevention haibasina khwaidagi na phabani cure tobadi why paisa su yam changi aduna akhoi gi prevention tongnaba khwaidagi maru oiba first step haidi ki di awareness ne ba awareness khanga di ai sin narak pa yai ado vaccine kapthoga phagani ai naroi haragadi cancer sidagi kanbang ami haragadi mi khudima akhoina mass vaccination HPV vaccination hobina ba yam nangalingai sahi trahum doi trama dagi vaccination se hogadabani hengraga su vaccination to yai adu kanaba phangbadi khara wai maram asina masigi vaccination Tausi, Aduga early awareness Tausi, Aduga cancer si, Kibiganu, Tabu, in a Kanbiganu, Aduga Hosiki Matam Chokolaba, Matam Sidadi, Mikudima Isapana, healthy oina, healthy women have the society Samaski, Levaki country goina, Pava society, Apava Leva, Akanba Moiga, the Ribani, Masiki de Makta, Quena, Nasi, Wakaton, Kanga Getaki, Horaga, Carquinos Hospital, Hova, Pagi, Naharon Singna, volunteer Singna, nursing na, Aquai doctor Singna Sinjaraga Togzavani.
Transport Department organized a 1-day media sensitization program on a topic strengthening media partnership for safer roads in connection with National Road Safety Month at Directorate of Information and Public Relations DIPR Auditorium today. The program was attended by Additional Chief Secretary Anurag Bajpai, AMJU President Asem Bhakta, EGM President Kogendram Komdram, Director Transport Kumantem Daina, DIPR Director Ngangom Uttam, and Traffic Control Police Additional SP Dayan Jambishwarjit as key dignitaries. Speaking on the occasion, Additional Chief Secretary Anurag Bajpai emphasized cultivating traffic sense as a personal habit and behavioral trait, going beyond mere obedience to state traffic laws. He said that National Road Safety Month is being observed across the country to raise awareness that most road accidents can be prevented if traffic laws are kept in check. He highlighted the role of media persons in shaping public behavior towards road safety. Citing recent statistics, he remarked that fatality rate across the country stands at 9%, while it stands at 29% in the state, showing a sharp contrast in such a small state. He added that it was recorded at 31% in 2022, stressing the need for stricter adherence to road safety and traffic laws.
The aim is to sensitize citizens to the importance of traffic rules, responsible driving, and protection of human life in line with the theme Sadak Suraksha, Jeevan Suraksha. Members of the media present here or attending these functions in various districts are requested to provide extensive coverage of these activities so that the information about the campaign reaches a wider mass across the state, and it encourages their active participation in promoting a culture of road safety. In this collective effort, the role of media is extremely crucial. Media is not just a messenger, but it is a powerful partner in shaping public behavior, as I mentioned earlier, and social attitudes.
Local staged a sit-in at Saiton Hayaikon, Thongkong Lampak in Bishnupur district, demanding the replacement of central security forces being deployed in the area by state forces. Several placards which read, "We condemn Saiton bomb blast, we want peace and we want justice" were displayed during the protest. Speaking on the sidelines of the protest, Sanjoy Ahanthim asserted that the locals and people of the state take strong exception to the recent serial bomb blast at Saiton Nganukon, targeting civilian houses on January 5. He questioned how the incident occurred during this president's rule government in the state and despite heavy deployment of central security forces in and around the site. Sanjoy expressed strong suspicion whether the government of India is supporting Kuki terrorists and allowed to launch attack against the Meitei civilians to annihilate the community.
Manipur dengan si sahi ahum fazil akadoraba sigum laba lan asi ta hafta da loisin ba yabachi hujik phawbo loisin da dana thamba aikoi gi rei pak iramdam sida aikoi se isa gi rei pak iramdam sida lanje na halli mikup da loisin ba yaba lan asi loisin da dana hujik phawbo da sang na chathali ba sigi mayokta adugumba phamba bifamne haina aigi thamoida di laujai khoiri no phom tabam ipai posinga ngak selamba asigum leiba irei pak iramda masidagi ai khoibu takthona na ba khoibu manghan na ba jinga taina na leiba khun kaya ama lau bachu changba yade khun adu da hanjin ge na changba su yade masak udaba aina yadaba bharat ke संविधान gi manung chandaba buffer zone haidana thamjindana ai khoibu khusing gi ba awa ba mayok na haliba se hoje koi thena ga dori ba lanji kuki ga nate mai bensin kuki gi marum da lepaga kuki gi misang changi ba mabuk chel seng da ba bharat ki adugumba lenga kilu ching ba sing adu ga thena ga dobuni.
Association MSA Manipur observed its 10th Foundation Day at GM Hall in Imphal today. The program was attended by High Court of Manipur Senior Advocate Kaidem Mani, Manipur High Court Advocate Dr. Ravi Khan, Imagimera President Tokchom Sujata, MSA Manipur President PH Ijuj Ahmed as key presidium members. Speaking on the occasion, Minority Students Association Secretary General Jesam Fayash Khan reaffirmed the association's resolve to stand for an equal and united society. He added that MSA remains a platform for minority voices and advocated for equal rights that are free from discrimination. He further stated that awareness programs will be organized in the future and appealed to the public to support the association in this regard.
In 2025, India minority singi hakko koga nabali maungda wakko amendment bill puthokuna maduda ekta onthok laga namfuda sanaba hangnaba honariba adugi matangda MSA gi maikai Manipur sinba thungna tongan education kaya anthokuna sabthaduna bill adugi mayokta sab sana filet kaya lapat ke loina academic institution sing haibade ekoi school college university na singbada minority mahai sing sab chaba right phangna tongan ba khongthang kaya aikatuna lakti.
Well, we have more news coming up, but before that, let's take a short break. We'll be right back.
Hi everyone, Northeast ahanba oina pangthok jagadoriba Tech Sprint Manipur 1.0 haina mingthon jaba AI da yumfom oiba hackathon ama lakliba January gi tarik 15 dagi hauraga 13 phauba numit nini chupna pangthok jagadori. Hariba hackathon asi Department of Information Technology, Government of Manipur amadi Manipur State IT Society anina khutsamnaraga senjabani. Knowledge partner na Manipur Technology Innovation Hub ni. Hackathon asigi theme na Artificial Intelligence for Governance, Startup and Social Impact. Pangthok jagadoriba mafamna IT Special Economic Zone, Manipuri, Manipur ni. Hackathon asida students, startup, IT entrepreneurs of Manipur or native of Manipur working outside Manipur, amadi students from outside studying in Manipur singna saruk yabagi khudong chabasu pizari. Makhada pizari ba QR code asi scan tawbiraga form 1000 biba yagani. Form 1000 bagi aroiba matam January gi tarik 2026 ni aduga registration fee na sukna tagi lupa chani khaktani. Akupa marol gi damak makhada pizari ba number sida contact tawbirak pa yagani. Manipur bu artificial intelligence ki lamda malem gi thakta bukhatna ba hotna bada mayam su saruk yabiu.
Give your child a foundation for a bright and successful future. Admissions are now open at Heritage Convent, where quality education meets values, discipline, and excellence. We nurture young minds through experienced teachers, caring environment, and holistic learning. Admissions open from 22nd December 2025. Visit our school campus to Naramthong Kulem Lekai for offline admission. Enroll today for a better tomorrow.
Manipur के अहानबा न्यूरो पेशेंट्स के अमतंगायरबा स्पेशलाइज्ड हॉस्पिटल न्यूरो इमरजेंसी ट्रॉमा नेट मल्टी स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल सिंगजवाई मथक टोंगथाम लिकाई दा हानुकचरे हॉस्पिटल असना मरुइना बीपी स्ट्रोक ब्रेन ट्यूमर लम्बी की खुदोंगथिबा स्पाइनल डिस्क प्रोलैप्स स्पाइनल ट्यूमर अमदी माइग्रेन चिंगबा लायंगली हॉस्पिटल असदा न्यूरो की लायंग बद चंगबा अफबो मखल की खुसु खुलाई अमदी मेशिन मरांग कायदे ले मसिना कोक मरी लेनबा तोंगान तोंबा मखल की अनाबा सिंग निंगथिना लायंगली लमदम मसिदा न्यूरो सर्जन यामना तांगरिबा मरमना चिंगमदी अरापा मफमदगी लाकपा अनाबसि न्यूरो सर्जन उननबा होनबदा अवाबा क्या मायोंगदरी मसिदा सुनतना मतम थिंथना अनाबा लायंगना मरम ओरगा खुदोंथिबा क्या सु मायोंगदरी मसी पुनमक्तगी खरदो ओरबसु कन्ननबा डॉक्टर पार्किंसन सिंह MCS न्यूरो सर्जरी एम्स न्यू दिल्लीना मसामकी हॉस्पिटल असिदा पुंग कुनमरी लेदुना अनाबा सिंह लायंगली हॉस्पिटल असिदा अताबा ममलदा लायंग मतनतना OPD जनरल अमदी ICU बेड्स ऑपरेशन मेडिसिन एक्स-रे अमदी लैब कमरी लेनबसनसु अताबा ममलदा फंगल्ली ngasi magdenshin biro amadi kudong saba singa silobiyo hena kubam road gidamak hospital asigi telephone number 70055341666 natraga 8974572154 da pau phabirak yagani
phone call message letter natragana atopa pambai ama hekta misa miyamda extortion gi thabak chatharak integrated anti-extortion cell da pau pibiyo haina Manipur lenga ki maikei dagi miyamda khangali kumjal singani kunma gi January gi tang 13 ta home department na integrated anti-extortion cell hangduktuna mathau tawba hore cell asida state police central armed police force Assam rifles amasung Indian army na puna thabak tawminari maramaduna lenga ki employee yauna kanagumba miyoi ama hekta da extortion gi thabak chatharak pa thengarbadi toll free helpline number 1800-202-3326 da pau piduna authority na athubada thabak lokhat pangamna ba mateng pangbiyo. Extortion amasung mari lenaba crime sing laksinduna lamdam sida law and order ngaktuna thamna ba lengang na sapsa na honari khanganjariba Home Department, Government of Manipur.
Welcome back. You're watching Sktv's Afternoon English News. Now moving on. ALSIS Delhi and Manipur government jointly launched the IAS 200 Full Scholarship Program for 2 centers located at Modern College Porompat and Churachandpur College. The scholarship program aims to provide free coaching and guidance for 200 UPSC aspirants in the state. The center in Modern College Porompat will accommodate 168 students for the coaching, while the Churachandpur College Center will provide guidance to 32 aspirants. Speaking in the launch program, Chief Executive Director of ALSIS, Manish K. Gautam, explained the nature of the one-year course, which will be conducted by experienced teachers in the field of UPSC Civil Services examination. He further maintained that students can get benefits through this coaching program for both UPSC Civil Services and State PSC.
Activity is it going to help you in your UPSC exam? You feel help you please continue. Help help the boy you drop come back to your direction. Direction. Send you correct activity is the activity going to help you? Fine, go ahead. If not, drop it. That's how you correct yourself.
Reconciliation Day, marking the commemoration of 7 years devastation in Manipur, was observed yesterday at Pakangba Field Club, Nandapur, Hojai, Assam. The event, jointly organized by Manipuri Culture and Sports Development Society, MCSDS, Pakangba Social Welfare Society, PSWS, PUB Nandapur, and Main Lake Manipur, MLM, was graced by MLM President Soram Chalba, MCSDS President Koirom Nabadip, PSWS President El Surin, and many other dignitaries. During the function, attendees paid floral tributes to the photo of Maharaj Gambhir Singh, Iningtho Chinglen Nongdren Komba Singh Konga Award, Manao Ibungo Chingthanglen Pamheba Narasing Konga Award, and Atobasana Hera Chandra Award were also presented to Tarim Kamal Singha of Nandapur Hojai, Thangjam Ingen Singh of Hojai Kathal Tali, and Moirangthem Indrajit from Manipur. Speaking on the sidelines, MLM President Soyam Chalba highlighted the significance of the event, stating that the annual event organized in the Brahmaputra Valley since 2006 aims to build unity among the Manipuris. AMI Technology Center Imphal organized a one-day entrepreneurship awareness program on theme Women SHG Business Empowerment at Kongampat Mantri Laikai Community Hall today. Sponsored by DCMSME Nirman Bhawan, New Delhi, the program was organized in close coordination with Lamjing Maira VLF, Tubilema VLF, Harang Sabal Block and Kongampat Gram Panchayat, which was aimed at micro and small entrepreneurship at the grassroots level. Speaking on the occasion, Deputy Director of Technology Center Infal, Dr. S. Yuren Tomba, emphasized the significance of self-help groups and starting small business enterprises that could bring financial security to many women. Taking the example of Jinghi, a holistic and traditional method of hair care, he highlighted various business prospects that can take off. The program was attended by Industrial Development Council Chairman P. Loken, PNB Senior Manager W. Birendra, among others. Now in sports news, Mandengbom Jadumani has won a gold medal representing services in the ongoing 9th Elite Men's and Women's National Boxing Championship being held at Gautam Buddha University in Noida. In the final bout for bantamweight category, Mandengbom Jadumani defeated Pawan of Services to clinch the gold medal. Earlier in semi-final match, Jadumani had defeated Asian Games gold medalist and World Championship silver medalist Amit Panghal to enter the final. On the other hand, Manipur's Tokchom Samnama Chachanu will take on Tokyo Olympic bronze medalist Lovelina Borgohan in middleweight category final today. Sana FC Taubal and PCFC Sigma have won their respective matches in the ongoing 6th State Level 9 A-Side Village Open Football Tournament, Chandranadi Trophy 2026 at Haurebi, Gangjepong. In the matches that were played yesterday, Wongoy FC played out a 1-1 draw, while Sanaa FC Taubal defeated Tam FC Sekta by scoreline of 1-0. In another match, PCFC Sekmai beat Kurai FC 2-0. Now the weather report. According to ICR, General Center La Philpotts, maximum temperature was recorded at 23.5 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 8.5 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 88% in the morning and 46% in the evening. Now before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. CBI court frames charges against 6 men in connection with naked parody in case of 3 women in May 2023. And Chronicles Hospital organizes cervical cancer awareness walkathon 2026, highlights the importance of early detection and treatment of cervical cancer. And that's all we have for now. Thank you for watching SKTV News and keep watching for more news updates.